Embrace the upcoming summer season with our guide on fabulous rustic summer decorations. As we prepare for the warmer months ahead, it's time to infuse your home with fresh, light, and fun decor that captures the essence of summer. We've curated a collection of rustic decor ideas to help you create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that reflects your unique style. Summer Sea Glass-inspired mantle. Bring the tranquil hues of the beach into your home with a mantle adorned with sea glass-inspired decor. Incorporate shades of aqua, turquoise, and teal through candles, jars, and vases for a refreshing coastal feel. Lush Fall Greenery Home Decoration. Add a touch of summer greenery to your space with lush fall plants that bring life and vibrancy to any room. Opt for artificial greens that are easy to maintain and can be effortlessly swapped out with seasonal decor. Rustic shelves from repurposed coffee table. Transform a repurposed coffee table into rustic shelves that serve as versatile decor accents. Deck them out with outdoor lanterns, light-colored candlesticks, and frames for a charming summer display. Rustic weathered stool focal point. Create a captivating focal point with an antique stool adorned with lush greenery and seasonal accents. Utilize the sturdy base of the stool to showcase vibrant planters or baskets for added rustic charm. DIY crepe paper leaf garland. Craft a stunning leaf garland using crepe paper to infuse your space with a burst of summer foliage. Hang it effortlessly to add a touch of natural beauty to any room or outdoor area. Alabaster lamp tablescape with bird and flower. Elevate your tabletop decor with an alabaster lamp paired with whimsical bird statues and vibrant flowers. Embrace summery colors like green, pink, and white to brighten up your space. Sweet lemon and eucalyptus tablescape. Add a pop of sunshine to your tablescape with fresh or artificial lemons paired with fragrant eucalyptus branches. Arrange them in a simple yet visually appealing centerpiece for a cheerful summer vibe. DIY kitchen cupboard wreaths and canisters. Refresh your kitchen decor with DIY wreaths made from old book pages and chalk-painted mason jar canisters. Customize them to match your kitchen or the season for a charming and practical display. Outdoor oceanic tablescape. Bring the ocean to your outdoor space with a coastal-inspired tablescape featuring seashells, starfish, and apothecary jars filled with beach treasures. Enhance the ambience with Hawaiian print table linens for a tropical touch. Best rustic home decor summer mantle. Transform your mantle into a summer haven with nostalgic decor elements like vintage lanterns, sunflower wreaths, and nostalgic books. Embrace the laid-back vibe of summer with a dahlia-inspired wreath made from old book pages. Green Apple Simple Summer Mantle Decor. Keep your summer decor effortless with a minimalist mantle adorned with fresh green apples. Embrace simplicity and understated elegance for a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. DIY Sunflower Rustic Summer Decor Ideas. Embrace the cheerful charm of sunflowers with DIY kissing balls made from artificial blooms. Display them on shelves, doorways, or tabletops for a vibrant and summery accent. Unique Summer Floral Arrangement Mantelscape. Create an enchanting mantle display with artificial floral arrangements nestled in vintage vases. Combine them with nostalgic elements like doilies and yo-yos for a whimsical summer vibe. Summer by the Seaside Shelf Decor. Infuse your shelves with seaside charm using candle holders shaped like seashells, glass jars filled with beach treasures, and lush seagrass accents. Capture the essence of summer with a coastal-inspired vignette. DIY stencil Moroccan-style palette garden. Add a touch of exotic flair to your outdoor space with a DIY palette garden featuring stenciled Moroccan-inspired patterns. Fill it with painted flower pots and vibrant summer plants for a stunning display. Whimsical iron gate with flower vases. Repurpose a rustic iron gate into a whimsical garden accent adorned with hanging vases filled with colorful blooms. Illuminate it with battery-operated lights for a magical ambience. DIY Bandana Summer Sunflower Wreath. Craft the charming sunflower wreath using bandanas in vibrant shades of yellow and green. Hang it on your door or display it indoors for a cheerful summer welcome. Cascading Greenery Summer Home Decoration. Elevate your decor with cascading greenery that adds depth and texture to any space. Arrange artificial greens on shelves, doorways, or mantels for a lush and inviting ambience. Rustic Home Decor Floral Centerpiece. Create a stunning centerpiece with cream-colored flowers and lush greens arranged in a rustic dough bowl. Embrace the natural beauty of summer with this elegant and timeless decor accent. Farmhouse-style pitcher with lavender. Add a touch of farmhouse charm to your space with a white pitcher adorned with twine and artificial lavender. Display it as a standalone accent or incorporate it into a summer tablescape for a rustic touch. There are still more decoration ideas to explore, so be sure to watch the video until the end. We hope you found these ideas helpful in adding a touch of rustic charm to your space. Stay tuned for more home decor inspiration, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy decorating!